The problem is if you have normal blood, normal hemoglobin AA, you're vulnerable to malaria. If you have SS, which is the double allelic the gene for both of the copies of your DNA have the sickle cell form, then you can get crisis of sickle cell, and they don't live very long either. So the balance is if you're half and half, you have one normal allele and one sickled allele, because you're more resistant to malaria, but you also don't die of the sickle cell, because the disease itself is very devastating. It's almost as bad as malaria. So there was like a balancing selection. So there's a lot of this phenotype of AS, or this type where you're kind of half sickle and half normal, you're really protected from malaria, and you also don't get very sick with sickle cell anemia.
I see, that's interesting. Because I remember hearing that growing up, and I thought, that's one thing I would like to ask you. Fantastic.
So they mostly are not good. They're what we call pathogenic, or they will cause a health implication to the host.
Yeah.
So that generally is the study of these living things that have to rely on a host for their existence. So the parasitology we study is definitely of clinical importance.